Hi, this is Foodie Phil, and here's my take on Momofuku buns. I gotta say, out of all of the contemporary chefs out there, my absolute favorite guy is David Chang. Chef Chang owns a number of restaurants, including Momofuko in LA and Las Vegas. And for this, I've made some braised short ribs the night before, and the goal was to repurpose these to the next night, create an inspired Asian dish. Now, there's a lot of recipes on the internet for Chang's pork buns, but simply, here's my interpretation. For the buns themselves, now this is kind of tricky because I'm using a stand-up mixer. So if there's not enough stuff in the mixer, it makes it kind of hard to, blend and make whatever I'm making. So I start with 4 1/4 cups flour. I add 1/3 cup duck fat. Now you can use pork fat or shortening, but I really love the flavor of duck fat. And then add about a tablespoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon each of baking powder and baking soda, 6 tablespoons of sugar. You can also use honey, 3 tablespoons of nonfat milk powder, a package of quick rising yeast, and 1 1/2 cups of warm water. Now you want that water to be at about 110, 115 degrees because that's what's going to get your yeast to work. So mix everything together. Let's stand until at least doubles in size, punch the dough down, and let it rise again. There's a lot of strategies on dough, but this is mine. So once everything is where you want it, roll it out so it's less than 1/4 of an inch thick. Cut out rounds of the dough and then kind of fold them in half and insert a piece of parchment paper so the dough doesn't touch itself or the dough doesn't touch the bottom of the steamer. Now you can use either a rice steamer. I got a really cool steamer that I bought from Amazon, which will hold, maybe 8 to 10 of these things. Then you're going to steam them for about 20 minutes. Now, take your meat mix, and this could be anything. This could be pork or beef or fish, whatever. Just, take that stuff, add some hoisin, salt, pepper, and your favorite Asian spices. When the buns are steamed to your liking, add your meat mixture. Maybe add a little bit more hoisin, top with some daikon radish, cabbage, or any other veggies that you like. And then, add some more hoisin. That's good stuff. This is Foodie Phil. Please follow me for more foodie tips and tricks. Thank you so much.